welcome back to my channel. I am in Castries and I don't even know, I'm kind of doing everything on the fly right now. I'm headed to the seamstress. I have some jeans that I need altered because they're way too big. But I think I want to do some Jounen Kweyol outfit, and also Halloween. I think it lands on the same day this year. This is not planned. Let's see if I can pull this through, because especially for Halloween, I always say, oh, I want to do something for Halloween, but I don't know, I never end up doing it. So I'm actually headed to the seamstress. She is right that way. She's actually my aunt, so you guys should definitely book her to make your stuff. Headed in now, and I will probably go look for some fabric store today. Yeah. So this is the closest fabric we found to Miss Scary Spice and Spice Girls. I'm excited. I'm actually going through with a Halloween costume. I'm also looking for madras, but I'm having one. Where am I having? At home. At my home. I'm wearing my costume at home and take my pictures. I listen to Spice Girls music and enjoy myself. We got the Spice Girl, the fabric for Spice Girls, Scary Spice. And we're headed to another fabric store because I didn't love the madras. Well, I don't love madras in general. But I didn't love the madras options at that other one. So we're headed to this one. So I was looking at between this one and that one, but I'm leaning towards this one because it's not that common, according to my auntie. So we'll go with that. We're doing my measurements. Yes. We're doing my measurements, guys. Alright. I guess YouTube can find out where my measurements are. Is your girl snatched? I'm like sweating. Town making me so
you got a bra on you?
No, I barely wear bras. Very rare.
He's standing up nice.
That's why they're standing up. I'm making them work. 34 bucks. Really? It was 32.
What you do in your breast for your breast to stand up so? Nothing.
I just leave them to be free and work for themselves. I guess it's the muscles, you let them. If you're wearing a bra to do the work for it, then it'll get lazy.
But from that time I know myself, when you're growing up, the parents always tell you when your breast start to grow, you have to wear bra.
I know.
That's not true.
I think they're lying.
Your bra, your breast boy, they make you wear bra.
I think so too.
I think so. I think so.
37 and a half.
Them people really do people things, see?
She's sick of me, y'all. Maybe I should do my review here.
Not on my machine.
No, I just want to say I just want to say the inspiration. Look, she offered me already. Okay, so for the madras outfit, the sleeves, oh, can you even see the sleeves on here is the inspiration. And then for Halloween Scary Spice, obviously, I got this, and I'm going for this look. It's a little different, but we'll make it work. Alright, so I'm headed to go pick up my Jounen Kweyol outfit and my Halloween costume. Almost there. Everything should fit perfectly because she does a great job, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So these are my finished products, the deep V for the Spice Girl fit, and this is the bra that goes underneath, and this is my Kweyol outfit. I just love this sleeve, they fit me so good. Can't wait to show you guys what it looks like on me when I get home or when I just wear it, you know. I'll show you guys the full final look for both Halloween and Jounen Kweyol. Okay, y'all, so this is the fit for Jounen Kweyol. My auntie got me all the way together. Okay, I look good, and I'm going to show y'all some B-roll, of course. And later on, I will do the Halloween look. But I'm feeling this. I love it. I love the sleeves. Yes! Okay, so this is my Scary Spice costume, and I'm sweating because I was doing an Instagram reel and I was like, yo, I'll tell you what I really want. So tell me what you want, what you really want. I really want to take a sing. So yeah, that's it for today. Jounen Kweyol and Halloween fell on the same day this year, and I was saying to myself, I'm not going another year without dressing up for either one, even though I'm inside, because we are in lockdown in Saint Lucia right now, every Sunday. It's a little ghetto, but I'm happy that I pulled it off and I had a great time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!